Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a two product wash and go, and it's a combination that I've never tried before. I'm dripping everywhere because I literally just got out the shower. And my hair is freshly co-washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, all that good stuff. And I'm going to be testing out these two products together. If you tried them out before, let me know in the comments below. This right here is an oldie but a goodie, and it's the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. And I've used this leave-in conditioner for so long while transitioning. I absolutely love it as a detangler. It does an amazing job. But the new guy that we're testing out today is this Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. Now, I heard so many people raving about this product, but I've never tried it before. I had it sitting in my stash for quite a long time, and I want to finally put it to the test and see if it works. I know that my Kinky Curly Not Today goes well with pretty much anything that I pair it with, so I'm hoping that this is going to be a good combination because I actually have somewhere to go, so I don't want my hair to look like a hot mess. Big tip that I'm going to give you guys is I always, hold on, because my lips are a little dry. You better save them right now. Ew, what is that? Ooh, so much better. Back to what I was saying. So my biggest tip for my girls who don't like frizz, do yourself the biggest favor and deep condition before wash day. I'm telling you, either before wash day or on wash day, before styling your hair, girl, deep condition. I promise you, your hair will thank you and you will definitely notice a visible difference. I know a lot of you guys are curious to see what my hair looks like without the denman brush, but I don't know. I'm such a fanatic, like I'm such a huge fan of defined curls, and I feel like without the denman brush, I don't get such like definition. But I will do it if you guys really want to see how my hair will look like without the denman brush. If you care, let me know down below and I'll definitely do it. I don't mind. So I'm gonna use a good amount because the bottom of my hair is always dry. So yeah, I definitely do recommend deep conditioning. By the way, if you haven't tried Kinky Curly Not Today, girl, you are missing out. And I'm curious to see if they're ever gonna expand. I haven't seen them expand their lines. I tried the Kinky Curly Custard and I absolutely hated it. I don't know if I used it wrong or what, but I used it one time and I was like, oh no, I do not like this at all. So I returned it. A lot of people say that product is like one of their top holy grail products, and I don't know, to me, maybe I need to give it another shot. So going in with the Jelly Soft Curls, I'm going to apply, I don't know how much to use of this. I don't know, I don't want to weigh down my hair. This is a gel, first of all. This is a gel. Oh, I was gonna say, first of all, this is a gel and I thought it was a cream, but it is a gel because it says the best darn super soft gel, period. That's a high claim, guys. I don't know. It says poppin' curls, no crunch. I've never tried anything Miss Jessie's. Literally, like I think a long time ago, I used like their, it was like a jelly, something jelly. I used it a long time ago and I think it left my hair too crunchy, so I don't know. It's probably there somewhere. I might have to use it again. So the trick with the denman brush, here's the trick. If you saw my do's and don'ts video, I talk a little bit about my technique and what I usually do to style my hair, but I didn't really go into that much depth because I want to do a walkthrough wash day showing you guys exactly what I do, shampoo, condition, co-wash, all that good stuff. So I'm trying to see if I should break it up into separate videos or if I should condense it all into one video and then just like, I don't know. I'm still like brainstorming on what I should do. So the trick with the denman brush is make sure your hair is detangled, right? Once your products are in and you feel like your hair has enough product, then you don't want to take a huge section, because if you take a huge section, you don't want to take a huge section, because if you take a huge section, you're gonna spend hours separating your curls, and if you got somewhere to go, girl, you don't got no time to be separating. So what you do is you take, actually, I feel like my hair doesn't have that much product in it, so let me just put a little bit more of that jelly. All right, so I'm gonna split this section into two, and I'm gonna slide the denman brush right through. Oops. So the trick is with the denman brush, I know a lot of people just use it. What the? Okay, stay. Okay, so the trick with the denman brush, I know a lot of people just use it at their ends, but I feel like that's gonna give you a different curl pattern. This also helps close up the cuticle. So if you slide it all the way like at the root and you slide it down and then you like shake it up, you're gonna have a uniform curl from root to end because you slid the denman brush from the root all the way down, and that just closes the cuticle and makes everything just look nice and put together. So don't skip your root. Make sure you use it all the way. You go all the way from the root, and this helps avoid having frizzy roots. And then shake to activate the curls. And then this is what we're working with. This is what we have. And so I'm going to do the same exact thing to my entire head. And then right before I do the front of my hair, I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do. Because I know a lot of you ask me questions on how to avoid having like that awkward parting when you style your hair. So I have a really cool trick that it took me a very long time to figure out how to have my hair dry nicely without like an awkward part. So I'm going to show you guys the best trick that I learned. I don't know where I learned it from. I guess I was just playing around and I was like, oh, I was trying a bunch of different things because I would do my hair. I don't know how people can style their hair the way they want it to dry. Like if I do that, because I usually wear my hair to the side, right? Like with a side split. But if I do that, like my hair is going to be flat at the top. All right, so now I finished doing the bottom part of my hair and I'm going to go ahead and do the top part. And I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do. So as you can see, the rest of my hair is already saturated with product. Now this part of my hair is the part that I have to be very careful because apply the products with a parting, my hair is going to be flat. And if I diffuse it with my hair upside down, like that part is always going to be flat. For some reason, I have no idea. So what I do is that I work from the front to the back and I apply my products going down my face. So I'll give you an example to show you. So I take about the front section right here. I pin this top part back. And then this is the section that I'm working with. So there's no particular line. I just took the hair and I'm gonna put the products through like I normally would in the back. So I'm gonna wet my hair, make sure that there's no tangles in it. Take my denman brush, detangle it. Make sure that there's no tangles. Then I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna just apply the products going towards my face. This way, when I pull it back, there's going to be volume. It's going to help with the volume and it's not going to stick to my scalp. Going in with my styler. I actually like this combo, by the way. I think it's going to come out really nice. And I'm just going to smooth it down. Get the front of my hair because those tend to be dry. And then I'm going to take a section and I'm going to run the denman brush through. Just like so. And then I'm going to shake it up. And there's that section. So I do that to the front of my hair. Run the denman brush through towards my face. Shake it up. Again, run the denman brush through. Close those cuticles. Shake it up. And then I go ahead and take this piece and I do the same exact thing. Take this part, brush it all the way towards the face, and then you just shake it up. Now that I flip my hair over, you can see that I have a little bit of volume. I'm gonna fix those baby hairs. Don't worry, girl, you know I'm not going out like that. But I'm gonna take my t-shirt. I feel like a t-shirt works way better than a towel, even if it's a microfiber towel. Like for me, the t-shirts just over dry my hair way too much. So I'm more comfortable using a towel, a t-shirt. I hope I said that right. The towels, even if it's a microfiber towel, it dries out my hair. Like it takes out too much of the water and too much of the moisture that I need. So I feel like a t-shirt does the job. So since you brushed out your curls and you shook them up, you activated them, you gotta give them a little extra push. You know what I mean? Like you gotta scrunch out that hair, girl. Like don't just walk out without scrunching your hair, because scrunching your hair makes such a huge difference, okay? Like your hair will go from being down here to up here, all right? But your curls are gonna be popping. You're gonna have some shrinkage, but that's all right. Your curls are gonna be popping. I'm gonna flip my hair over. And I'm just gonna scrunch and scrunch some more. Listen, you scrunch as much as you can, okay? You're gonna get tired, your hands are gonna hurt, your fingers are gonna hurt, but that's cool. Your hair is gonna look bomb. So just keep scrunching. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. You don't want to over scrunch either. I know I'm telling you to scrunch, but if you see your hair is getting frizzy, girl, stop scrunching. I literally scrunched for about a whole minute. So now, as you can see, my hair is gonna start falling the way it would naturally fall. I always wear it to this side for some reason. I don't know why. It's just comfortable like that for me. So I wear it on this side. So what I do now is that I lay the edges. Yes, lay your edges while your hair is wet, because when it dries, girl, you're gonna be unstoppable. Hold on. A little cocktail a long time ago, and it's just regular Solid gel, the pink one or the clear one, the one that gives you the most hold. And I realized that I'm always laying my edges, right? So that means that my hair, the front of my hair is always getting gel. And I noticed that my hair was drying out in the front. So I'm like, my poor baby hairs, like, I gotta give him some love. So what I did was that I mixed castor oil, olive oil, olive oil, and a little bit of coconut oil into my gel. And girl, let me tell you, you get the hold and the moisture that you need. I like how I'm using this like I'm a teacher. You over here, you, my toothbrush that needs some love right now. But yeah, so I mixed it up, and that's why when I made a video on Instagram, everybody was like, what the heck is in your Eco Gel? And I'm like, girl, don't worry. There's a reason why my Eco Gel looks like this. So I basically turned it into like a little custard. So you can see it's real jelly. But it moisturizes, girl. It holds your hair and it moisturizes. So try it and thank me later. All right, hold on, because I don't have a mirror. All right, so what I like to do is see where my hair is gonna be parted, which is usually on my left side. And then I'm gonna just start, I'm just gonna start laying my edges. So this is hard to do. I'm usually doing this with two hands. So okay, so I'm just gonna start just brushing them down, so when they dry nice and sleek. You know what I mean? If I do this while my hair is dry, I feel like I don't get the same results. So you can see, can you see that? And you could do waves, you could get creative if you want to. Just like, girl, you see that? See this? And then this. Whoo! Whoo! Don't walk out like that, honey. Even if your hair's in your face and the wind blows and you see all of that like little nastiness, no. A lot of people are like, I don't lay my edges because I'm wearing my hair all out all the time. Girl, if that wind blows and people see that your edges are looking crusty, no, you can't do that. You got to take care of your edges, honey, even if you wear your hair out all the time. So I'm going to apply some more. I'm going to apply some on this side because this wind is disrespectful out here, all right? It doesn't play, so make sure you're on top of the game. So just smooth down those edges, and you're gonna be popping. This is really hard to do with one hand, so I'm gonna try to do it using this viewfinder here. All right, so now once we have the bottom part, then we could go around to the crown area. Why is my light blinking? Ooh! Ooh! My ring light is blinking. All right, and then the crown area, this is so hard. Crown area, just go ahead and brush it back with the curls. That way you can start looking a little bit more unified. All right, I'm struggling to, excuse me, light. This light is disrespectful. Just go ahead and lay your edges. So basically that's a trick that I do. I style my edges while it's wet, and then I just go right into diffusing. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these edges off camera because I cannot do it for the life of me with one hand. But I'm gonna dry my hair, and then I'm gonna go show you guys the results, and let's see if this cocktail or little combo worked. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and my hair is 100% dry. I diffused it, and these are my results. And guys, let me just tell you something. I am obsessed with this combo right here. Like, I am totally obsessed with it. You can see it gave my hair length. Like, guys, can we just appreciate the fact that this combination gave my hair very minimum shrinkage? Like, my hair never looks this long, and my hair is growing, but wait, my hair, It's pretty long, but usually the products that I use on my hair always tend to give me a lot of shrinkage, and I'm really happy because I have soft, fluffy curls, exactly how the gel says, and I have length. Like, that's amazing. They're very nice. They're super defined. They look amazing. The thing is, I did have to use a little bit of oil to separate it, and just by the looks of it, because this is day one curls and they look so fluffy and so good, like, it looks so good. It honestly feels like I have no product in my hair. Like, that's such an amazing feeling because your hair doesn't feel weighed down. It kind of gets to do its own thing. But the only downsides about this combination is that I don't think it will be able to last me 4 to 5 days. I usually wash my hair I would say by the 4th day, I usually tend to co-wash my hair. If you're the type of person that just likes to wash your hair once a week and you like to just style it and preserve your hair for the entire week, I don't think this is going to be a combination that's going to work for you. You might have to add a cream just so it can give you more hold throughout the week. But I can tell by the way it looks right now that it's not going to last me that long, although it does look really good on day 1, and I'm pretty sure it's going to look good on day 2. Day 3 may be a little bit on the edge. You might have more frizz. If you don't mind frizz, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and rock your hair. But I'm very I love it defined curls, and I love my hair to look as uniformed as possible. So I tend to stay away from products that make my hair extremely lightweight. I think this is a really good combination of lightweight. My hair just looks long, and that's like amazing. That's something that I love about this combination. It doesn't feel like I have a gel in my hair at all. Like I said, this is the first time I'm using the Jelly Soft Curls, and honestly, it does not feel like I'm using a gel, but it does give me everything that a gel is supposed to do. You know what I mean? Like, it gives me definition and it gives me hold and not too much of it, which is perfect. So I am very excited about this combination. I'll definitely be doing it again. I won't, however, do this combination on like a rainy day because I know my hair is probably going to be a hot mess. I would definitely use a gel that has more of a stronger hold to keep my hair in place on a rainy or snowy day or anything like that. But any other day, I would definitely do this combination. I love it so much, and I'm really excited that I finally got to try the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls. I know there's a Pillow Soft Curls one as well. If you've used that one before, comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts about that one. So I would love to try the Pillow Soft Curls one as well and maybe use them together. But these are my results, and I'm so excited because I love it so much. I love how it looks. It came out so flippin' amazing. So thank you guys for watching this video. As always, make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more videos. Leave me a comment down below for any other video ideas you'd like to see, and stay tuned for my next video.